understand what our soul is, let us look at what happens when the soul is taken out of a person's body. It's simple. The person dies. At some point in our lives, maybe on TV we have seen animals die, insects die. Every living thing on this earth will die one day. Our bodies will stop working, which means the body can no longer eat, drink, or feel anything. Death is the beginning of a real journey. We cannot live forever in this world. When a person dies, their soul moves to another world. So death is like a journey to another world, or like a bridge that helps us move from this world to the next. Let us talk more about this journey. When you pack your bag for a journey, what do you take with you? That is right. You want to take clothes, walking shoes, toothbrush, food, books, etc. Just like we prepare so well when we are going for a journey in this world, we have to prepare for the big journey after we die. So how do we prepare for this journey? What should we take with us? Here is a list of things that would help us on our journey after death. Praying, helping people, being good to your parents, study well at school, helping the needy. All these things will help us after death. Things that will not help us after we die. Missing out on prayer. Being greedy. Being rude to our parents and other elders. Using bad language. Telling lies. To sum up, let us remember, what sort of a journey do we want to have? If we want to have a happy and easy journey, then we must make sure our bag of good deeds is as big as possible.